our Cozy Cafe in San Pablo City, Laguna na perfect for chill dates, catch-ups, or even solo coffee time. Pasok mo pa lang, you'll immediately feel that cozy and modern vibe. So if you love aesthetic cafes na hindi masyadong crowded, this one is a hidden gem. So CDC Cafe is located in San Pablo City, Laguna, super accessible whether you're commuting or driving. Ganda.
Hanap tayo ng upuan. Ganang ate. Labig-labig. Pagdadala siya na ng jacket eh. Ano na? Wait lang anak, wait lang.
Daddy, patanggal yung buhok.